Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch SEC Plus on YouTube TV. In order to do this, you first need to come to youtubetv.com and you need to make sure that you are logging into your account with the premium email of yours. Now, once you have done that, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner where you need to click on this search icon. Now here, you just have to simply type SEC Plus in the search bar and press enter. Once done, it will show you the respective results, and if you are able to see SSC in this list, you simply need to click on that and you can start watching your favorite shows here. But as you can see that the channel is not showing in this list, so the reason might be because I need to add SSC Plus with the YouTube subscription. So if you want to watch any particular channels, then it will give you the add-ons option. So you need to choose the add-ons option at the time of the subscribing to the YouTube TV Plus. So you need to make sure of that in order to watch SEC Plus on YouTube TV. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.